I think you have to really be here on this campus to really get that feeling of belonging, and I think just being in the lecture halls with my professor and with all my peers, I really felt like this is where I belong.
My first lab in stem cell tissue, that's when I felt like, yeah, that's the right thing that I'm doing and that's what I want to do.
I chose this program for many reasons, primarily because I really love their stem cell emphasis. I also love that you can get an MS in biotechnology and an MBA together, so you're learning the science and the business skills.
They have a lot of exposure to industries very early in the program.
They cater very well to working professionals. Because our classes are from 6 to 9, people are able to work and go to school at the same time.
The reason I chose this program was because I got my undergraduate in bioinformatics, which is purely computational, and I decided I needed the wet lab experience that this institution has to offer.
So per class there are only 24 students. Because of that, professors can interact to you one-on-one during the lectures.
We're really getting a good hands-on experience with techniques that will be used in industry.
My courses are heavily research-based courses. We do different laboratories that are typically focused on state-of-the-art technologies like cell culture techniques for maintaining, for propagating, from differentiating and characterizing pluripotent cultures. Or in the genomics course, we do cloning, genomics, and we also do experiments to analyze CRISPR-mediated genome edition. So the students gain experience in state-of-the-art technology.
At CSU CI, they have a stem cell program in which you can apply to other industries or universities are in California.
This campus coordinates with some of the most prestigious universities in California for this research, including Stanford, Cedars Sinai, UC San Diego, and USC.
Our program welcomes both domestic and international students.
We have such a different diversity in all my colleagues and all my classmates.
Definitely diversity is in the core of how campus operates.
At Extended University, we understand our students. You're likely juggling work, family, and looking for your next career step. Our programs are intentionally flexible and affordable. We partner with local employers so your learning opens doors to new opportunities. Whether you're earning a degree, completing a certificate, or joining one of our community programs such as OLLI, we'll be here to help you on your journey.